partnership at Trailers of the East Coast is really exciting because we share common values. And as we started a conversation, Bill and myself, we really looked at the two teams to see, would we work well together?
You know, I love challenges and I love positive things, and I see this in Evolve. You know, they've taken the old high-tech who has been building transporters for a long time, but they have taken the engineering frames and the good bones that they had, and it is amazing what the new technology and things that they're putting in these Evolve transporters.
Their trailers, when you go inside, what they are developing is just, they're offering something that I've never seen before, and they're developing their own processes, their own improvements. I think that is just going to offer so much peace of mind, so the future is bright.
In our business, once you hit the road, you've got to have it. You've got to, like our race cars, you can't get to the track and then say, oh, well, we need another motor. I mean, it happens sometimes, but you've got to be ready to go. We've got to rely on the trailer. Basically, our only time to service them is in the off season. And so they run all year. We have to rely on them.
Our goal is to put a customer into a piece of equipment that will perform for him as his expectations are. And when there are service issues, that he's taken care of in a very proper and very efficient and quick way.
We share a lot of the same qualities and behaviors, and I feel like the value in that for our clients are that you're going to have a consistent and similar experience, whether you're in Ohio, our new Indianapolis facility, or you're here at Trailers of the East Coast in North Carolina.